Let's try some. So like the world, it create these songs as you go in life, and then the songs start to play themselves out, and you can no longer be spontaneous and creative in that song, so you got to change it. A lot of times the world will change the song for you, but if you're changing it from within, then you're more open to change, because you're not fixed in a rhythm, fixed in the trance of the old melody. That's life. So being the change you want to see brings you into the creative flow of life. It's a kind of a natural thing. It's just spirit. Being in the spirit, being in creative flow. When you can do that, then the world will change, and it's not quite as bothersome. It's more co-creative than co-destructive, so to speak. But you got to be the destruction within yourself first. So it's just analogies here. You can see it many ways in your own life in the most mundane things. Just got to cut out the noise.